Hello, lovely people. This is Sajjad. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sajjad the Skylog. I'm here to share with you some beautiful footage from my journey to the sunflower farm,
which located in Cotswold. I'm taking you on a beautiful adventure through the Cotswold Farm Park. Right in the heart of the Cotswolds, we're surrounded by stunning fields of sunflowers, golden and glowing in the summer sun. Join me as we explore this peaceful spot, take in the views, and enjoy everything this charming countryside has to offer.
I wanted to just say, I hope you support these videos because my YouTube channel is a pretty new channel and I really need your support. So please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to do not miss any video. I try my best to capture the best scene and best video for you and sharing them here. I hope you enjoy as well. So before wasting more time, let's go and see what we have for today. I'm back. How was the video? I hope you enjoyed it. And please do not forget to write down your opinion as a comment. It really helps me to improve my content, and I really appreciate if you give me some new idea where I can fly or where I can capture more amazing, more interesting footage and video. Definitely I will take your advice if you write it as a comment. And if you have any other criticism or anything that can improve my video, I really appreciate to take your time and write it as a comment. Definitely I will read them all, and I'm really into improving my content because I really value the people who are watching these videos, the people who are spending their time to watch these videos. So it's so valuable to me. It means a lot. Thank you for your support. I hope to see you in the next video very soon. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.